I don't believe in goblins. Plus, I believe in crayons. I don't believe in Greek mythology. Plus, I believe in castles. I don't believe in Santa Claus. Plus, I believe in snowshoes. Everyone, listen up. Not only do I lack a belief in flying witches, I believe in cereal boxes. Yes, that's right. A goblinism plus, a Greek mythology plus, a Santa Clausism plus, and a flying witchism plus. Agnosticism plus. Yes, let agnostics come together and form a set of common beliefs, and let them call it agnosticism plus. We are agnosticism plus. We don't know whether or not there is a God. Plus, we believe in wrapping paper, banana peels, cemeteries, dogs, cardboard boxes, love, and oak trees.